she's a hefty one. Oh, it comes with parts. Beef. Yeah, so we splurged for the Moog unit because I believe that's the parts I put on for the tie rods, and I've hit a bridge with this car and the tie rods are still good. We're changing that right there. Connected over there, there. Super easy, breezy, beautiful. Cover girl. Look, I'm not gonna say I got emotional, but I got it, you know. Had to use the old broken sledge. That's the part we're gonna keep. Now we just gotta put that part in. Super easy, super simple. How hard could it be? It seems like it's gonna fit just fine. All that's left is we gotta torquelize all the bolts. While I'm under here, I'm gonna zip tie these hoses up like I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. Anyway, I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Oh, Fack. Parts store strikes again. Here, look at this. This is you. As the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Isn't the one in the back longer? No, it's not. Okay.
Oh yeah, it might be longer, but look how thick this one is.
Fat. Oh.
Might not be able to reach the bottom of the tuna can, but it'll blow the sides out of that bit. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Drop it like it's hot. Oh wait, no, actually we're not. We're gonna do the tires on this, but let's do the golf cart first. We need a W.
That'd be easy.
Yeah. Come on, Katniss. Katniss Everdeen. Oh, yeah, buddy. All right, Bradley. Walk us through the whip. What's going on? What's happening?
So this tire is, you know, it's bald. So we have this tire.
Feels like a balloon.
From Walmart.
Like I.
This thing costs like too much.
Oh, too much.
So
no, they're not
new. Switch it out, and it'll be not as dangerous.
Fast. Dude, you're so quick. I bet you all the ladies are like, wow, he's so fast.
Is that a good thing?
I don't know. I don't talk to girls.
What about Leah?
She's not a girl.
Hey, what?
She's a woman.
Oh.
Nice. Nice. Oh my God. Ugh.
He did it.
Wow.
I'm kind of capable.
Wanda.
Some things.
Shut up. Ain't nobody asking you nothing.
I'm
lady.
having a moment.
Okay. All right. Put the thing back on. Let's get this over with. God. Get that crap out of here. Man, look at him go with all of his... My grass! Look, listen, shh. Listen to the little chirpy. Hey, move my tools. the meme mobile.
Make sure you get the thrusting.
You know, this is the first time I've done like you as a subject of video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, usually you like, you know, me and you as a background when Stephen talks to a camera.
I'm a background.
But now you're the main character.
That's hot. Oh, that's tightening. Okay, we Gucci down to the buckle. Oh, wrong bolt. Ta-da! Hopefully. It's good to inspect stuff while you got other things off. Ow, my finger!
Evaporate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's designed to, yeah, you're not supposed to take it to the face.
Rebestos. Who?
Asbestos?
Oh, Rebesto.
Oh, asbestos.
Rebestos. Yeah. These things are so sharp, dude. Well, that ain't gonna fit. Dang it. That ain't gonna work. Dude, these new hardware sucks. Dude, I might just keep the old stuff on here. Come on, you sack of poop.
Language.
I'm gonna use the brake pad and the C-clamp to push back the caliper.
That's how God intended. Another happy customer.
I said his tire looks flat. The front right one. Yeah.
That's grease.
Yeah.
Touch it.
You
You're gonna poke it.
I'll touch it.
Yeah, I know you'll touch it. You like it's
Protected from the inside. Like,
oh, it's got a right turn Zerk fitting. I know we've talked about this truck so far on the channel, and we know that it's turboed, right? But if you look real close, you'll see that there's still exhaust going out the truck. Why? Because only half of the exhaust, 3 cylinders, is to the turbo. The other 3 go out this pipe. Why? That's why. Well, how's the chicken doing? I only say that because I put a lot of wood in there and it's finally catching, so it's gonna cook fast.
okay.
Getting abducted. It's happening. It's like what the guy used for the coolant overflow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
Yeah, kind of like, you know how I use the Sailor Jerry bottle?
Oh,
Yeah, it's like that.
I was gonna do that with my car.
You should.
Just gonna try to get the right bottle. Under the tree?
Nobody knows what he's actually saying. Oh, why is it gushing out?
I'm sorry. The built-up pressure got from the excitement. It's about to go on a bolt forever.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh come on! I already put the goo on it. Get in there. Hey, perfect. Hey, that's pretty good. Too much gabagoo.
Too much Doritos. And Baja Blast. And Code Red.
Oh,
Just
not the
continue,
Code Red.
Red.
Oh, with the real Red 40. Yeah.
That's nice. Mine don't work too like that.
Well, I think this bearing's about, it probably needs a little more preload than that. But,
Thanks for...
yeah, I think at one point, before the guy that owned it, before the guy that I bought it from, you know what I mean? I think that dude kind of knew what he was doing and was doing some good stuff.
Cared.
Yeah, the guy that I got it from, he just kind of put stuff on and never bolted it on. What's happening? You gotta pick it up, dog. Oh, is it too low?
Yeah, that says it too low.
Okay. We're clear on all sides.
Drop it like a shot.
Damn.
Bye, Mr. Truck.
Well, that's fun.